Looking at the old fucking yearbook. Freshman year. Ruby Bridges. Do you remember Ruby Bridges?
Who's Ruby Bridges?
Ruby Bridges.
Who's Ruby Bridges?
Ruby.
No. Show me. Who the fuck? Michelle Coleman? Who the fuck is Ruby Bridges?
That is
Why are you calling Ruby Bridges?
I can't explain.
Why?
She just is Ruby Bridges. So Ruby Bridges. Wait, I'm not in. Where is, where the fuck? Ruby, I love you, Rue. Hey, Melissa. OMFG.
Oh my god, dude. This
This
is crazy.
I can't even show my picture. It is literally, where's Randy?
Yo, please.
ABCDEFGH.
Dude, stop! That's the bad one. That's freshman year. Come on.
It's not that bad. You kind of look like Meredith Hoopengarner.
Ew, please. I'm talking about the fucking drawing.
I didn't see that. You look a lot like Allie, actually. I'll do one little peek view at myself. It is just pure embarrassment.